Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
So now we have done 3 videos going over the strategy, and I will go over a 4th and final video so far in this month of November of what I've been able to spot. So in the 3rd video, as you can see, we went over the November 15th. We had a couple of different price action-esque trades. If you are looking to kind of blend both concepts and this objective style, obviously you could just stay objective as to make it with the moving averages in Tokyo and all that. But if you have a specific style, you can easily merge that into this. I just kind of wanted to show that as an example. And again, we have another possible example of doing that right here. So what had happened on November 18th, kind of the same old thing, where we get a break above Tokyo, and then late London into early New York, we did a complete crash back into the session. We come to this Tokyo low, which is around here, and we start to see this W pattern form. Now we broke all the way down. We kind of formed a lower high. We broke again, kind of formed a lower high, and then we broke again. But price soared right here. And so if any of y'all have watched Christie's previous candlestick patterns, she is a big fan of this, and so am I. You could see that it's a nice W pattern that forms right here. You had a lower high into a new lower low into a break of the previous lower high that formed bullish. And now maybe you like to use divergences with like the ultimate oscillator, maybe the stochastic, RSI, MACD, whatever. Maybe there's a divergence here, maybe there isn't. But the main thing I do want to cover is that this W formation, and then the opposite, you could see right here, it's kind of like it's a funky looking M, but it kind of does the same exact thing. Markets just always make W's and M's, but the main thing you want to focus on is the neckline, is what people call it, where price comes up, because you could see that the first W comes here, comes up to this point. So the lower high is basically this neckline. It comes back down and then it breaks the neckline. And so I didn't take this trade. I was looking to obviously place a normal trade here, but the moving averages just weren't doing it for me. And so if you have a price action approach, this would be a really ideal trade to take, because you get this nice W pattern that forms, price breaks above. And so even if you consider this the lower high or this the lower high, this entire move breaks it and you form bullish structure now. What do you want to see after you see a huge move like this? You want to see a retracement that comes back down. And what is a better retracement than a nice rejection off of that initial W neckline that formed this bullish structure, which you get here. And you also get a nice blue candle, which means it's not completely heavy buy pressure like the greens, but it's pretty good buy pressure. And so we basically get a fake out, a rejection of that W neckline, and then we get a nice move up to reward. Full transparency, I did not place this trade, but this is a great example again of using price action with this kind of style of strategy that I'm showing you here. Now if you were to stay to the objective rules of waiting for the moving averages, you just wouldn't have gotten a trade today, because you missed the move. Like, you just move on to the next day and hope that you get another trade, which we end up doing to a T, to the exact objective strategy that I've been showing y'all in the 3 previous videos. Tokyo session here, Tokyo highs here, we break it pretty early, break it again even harder, we get the crash down early New York, price is pinballing around all the major moving averages, and then finally 9 o'clock happens here. The 21, you get a rejection off the 21 to 55. We're still sticking to it, which is awesome. And they're above the 3 major moving averages. And we get a trade opportunity, and we take it here, and we get another 2R, and bada bing, bada boom, showing y'all again. So this is all my trades so far in the month. Today is November 28th, so it's basically the end of the month. I don't trade every single day. As you can see here, I traded 1, 2, 3. I traded 4 times. I did miss the 8th. November 8th was nice, so I probably would have traded 5 times if ideally, but it could be as easy as this. You don't have to trade every single day and you could make profit. So this was the November 4th. This was November 12th. This was November 15th, so the last video. and then this was on November 19th. And so this has been my month so far, and I appreciate y'all tuning in. And like I said in the previous video, if y'all have any questions about the strategy or how you can use it, how you can incorporate anything about it, feel free to hit me up, JSav, in the Discord. I'm always available, especially in the crypto chat, because things are starting to heat up again, which is really cool to see. And I will continue to be trading this. I also have other ideas and other strategies that's even higher time frames that I kind of dabble with as well. So I'll catch you on the Discord. Hope you all have an amazing day, and see you then. Peace.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below, and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.